They can make their favorite Disney princess and the Care Bear.
That's so cool. I made a Funshine Bear.
Shaker Maker. Each set sold separately from Spin Master.
So, kiddo, what do you want to do for fun?
Decorate!
Oh?
New stripes are in at BK this season, and fun with the Cat in the Hat is the reason. It's fun to have fun, but you have to know how. Cat in the Hat toys are available now. You can collect the toys if fun's your thing. One in every kid's meal at Burger King.
Moving to a new house is giving me the chills. Trying to scare my brother's gonna be a thrill. What was that? I got a fright, but it won't scare away my appetite.
Now you can get one of 6 scary toys based on Disney's new movie, The Haunted Mansion.
For real, looks like a ghost took off with my Happy Meal. I'm loving it.
You can build it and change it. It's Ello. You can Ello places with squiggly stairs. For Ello people with silly hair. Ello fun frames for your friend. Then Ello it all over again.
How do you, Ello? New Ellopolis set by Ello with 201 rebuildable pieces.
It's Ello Jungala. You can Ello cheetahs with fuzzy spots. And monkey families with tiny tots. Then keep it all in something hot. Ello.
It's Get Up and Bounce Tigger. When you start the beat, he gets up on his feet.
Let's get down and bounce. Let's get up and bounce.
Get Up and Bounce Tigger.
Lieutenant Coach, get your ass out here right now! I don't have to listen to you, SpongeBob SquarePants. You fucked up.
Stands up, sits down, bounces, dances, talks, and sings.